Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money with the Amazon Influencer Program. I will explain how it works, who can join, how to get approved, how to make videos, and how the money is paid. You do not need a big YouTube channel to start, and you do not need to buy expensive equipment. First, let us clearly understand what the Amazon Influencer Program is. This program allows you to upload short product review videos directly to Amazon. These videos appear on product pages, usually under the product images or in a video section. When a customer watches your video and then decides to buy the product, you earn a commission on that sale. You do not need to send any traffic from platforms like YouTube or TikTok, because Amazon already has buyers actively shopping on the website. People visit Amazon with the intention to purchase, which makes this system very powerful. This is what makes it different from the regular Amazon Associates program. With Amazon Associates, you share special links and only earn money when someone clicks your link and completes a purchase. With the Amazon Influencer program, your videos stay directly on Amazon itself. Your content lives on the product pages, and Amazon automatically shows your videos to shoppers who are already interested and ready to buy. Now, let us talk about who can join this program. Amazon looks for people who already have some kind of social media presence. This can be on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You do not need millions of followers to qualify. Many people get approved with just a few thousand followers, and in some cases even fewer than that. What matters most is engagement and the overall quality of your content. Your account should look real, active, and consistent. Amazon wants to see genuine interaction, not empty numbers. Your content must follow Amazon's rules and guidelines. That means no fake followers, no spam activity, no reused or copied videos, and no copyright issues. If your account looks natural, well-maintained, and you regularly post content related to lifestyle, products, technology, home, or everyday life, you have a strong chance of getting approved. Next, let us go step by step through the application process so you clearly understand how everything works. First, you need to visit the Amazon Influencer Program page and log in using your Amazon account. If you do not already have an Amazon account, you will need to create one before moving forward. Once you are logged in, Amazon will ask you to connect one of your social media accounts. This can be any supported platform, but you should choose the account where you have the strongest engagement and the most natural activity. After you connect your account, Amazon will review it to see if it meets their requirements. In some cases, approval happens instantly, while in other cases, it can take a few days. If your application gets rejected, do not worry or get discouraged. You can always apply again later after improving your account or by using a different social media platform. Once you are approved, you will get access to your Amazon Influencer storefront. This storefront is your personal Amazon page where your profile is displayed. It allows you to add products, organize your content, and manage all of your videos in one place. This is also where you will upload, track, and control your review videos. Now let us talk about the most important part of the process, creating review videos. These videos should be short, simple, and honest, without trying to overcomplicate things. You do not need any fancy editing or special effects. Most successful videos are between 30 seconds and 2 minutes long. Amazon prefers videos with clear visuals and clear audio. You can easily record these videos using your phone. Make sure your camera lens is clean and record in a well-lit area. Natural light near a window works very well and gives your video a clean look. Your voice should be clear and easy to understand. Background music is not necessary and is usually better avoided. In your video, always show the product clearly. Hold it. Use it. Show how it works. Talk about what you like and what you do not like. Be honest. Amazon shoppers trust honest reviews. A simple video structure works best. First, say what the product is. Then explain what it does. Then show it in use. then share your personal experience. At the end, you can say who this product is good for. Do not add links in the video. Do not say prices. Do not ask people to buy. Amazon does not like that. Just review the product naturally. Now, let us talk about what products you should review. The best products are things you already own. Look around your home. Kitchen tools, electronics, office gear, beauty tools, fitness items, pet products. These work very well. Avoid restricted categories like medical claims, supplements with strong health promises, or anything unsafe. Amazon will reject those videos. After recording your video, upload it to your Amazon Influencer dashboard. Choose the correct product listing. Write a simple title. Example: honest review of wireless earbuds after 30 days. Then submit the video for review. Amazon will check the video. This can take a few hours or a few days. Once approved, the video can start appearing on product pages. Now, let us talk about how you make money. When your video appears on a product page and a shopper watches it and buys the product, you earn a commission. The commission rate depends on the product category. Some categories pay more than others. You can track your earnings inside your Amazon dashboard. You will see clicks, orders, and commissions. Payments are usually made monthly once you reach the minimum payout. This is a volume game. One video might make a few cents a day. But when you have 100 videos, 300 videos, or 1,000 videos, it adds up. Many people treat this like a long-term digital asset. Now let us talk about tips to grow faster. Upload consistently. Even one video per day is great. Focus on popular products with many reviews. That means high demand. Also look for products with few videos. That means less competition. Check product pages on Amazon. Scroll down and see if there are videos. If there are no influencer videos, that is a good opportunity. Keep your videos clear and helpful. Avoid talking too fast. Avoid reading scripts. Sound natural. You can also repost these videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts to grow your social media at the same time. Just make sure the Amazon version has no watermarks. Finally, let us set realistic expectations. This is not a get-rich-quick method. It takes time. The first month may be slow. The second month may be better. Over time, your videos can keep earning without extra work. Before we finish, I want to quickly mention a better option related to what we discussed. While the Amazon Influencer program can work, it still depends on approvals, product placements, and Amazon's rules. There is another approach that most people don't know about, where complete beginners are making money online using free AI tools like ChatGPT combined with social media. This method focuses on building long-term systems that can earn even when you're not actively creating videos or waiting on commissions, unlike the Amazon Influencer program, which relies on constant uploads and platform control. Around 99% of people don't even know this method exists. If you want to learn more, click the link in the description and watch the free video.